Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you, DTI Secretary, Secretary Chris Rogan. Please, members of the Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, the recent Secretary Cristina Frasco, Special Assistant to the President on Investment and Economic Affairs, Secretary Technical, Vice Chairperson of SM Investments Corporation, Ms. SAC, also our invaluable and strong partner in developing these opportunities for our SMSEs. Thank you so much for all of your help. And of course, with us today is one of those rare occasions where we are together. First Lady Luisa Araneta Marcos. Nanay Baby is also here to push the Kapampangan products. The MSME Enterprise exhibitors, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is a delight to see and to smell the delectable array of food products that we have here today. Itong nalitaw ang kulay at sasalubong sa iyo ang katakam-takam na amoy ng mga pagkain Pinoy at talaga naman ay malinamnam. This April, we are celebrating Filipino Food Month, an important occasion where we honor valued traditions passed down through generations, reflecting our identity as Filipinos through the food that we prepare and enjoy. Marami na rin ang mga dayuhan na humahanap sa ating ibang sarap sa ating mga pagkain. Kaya sana tayo namang mga Pilipino mismo ay manguna sa pagkikilala sa iba't ibang putahe na gawa ng Pilipino. This National Food Fair is more than a gastronomic celebration of our rich and diverse culinary heritage. It is a testament to the incredible talent, ingenuity, industry of our local farmers and artisans who bring pride and honor to our country. From homemade jam, handcrafted cheese, delicious bite sips, well-packaged cocoa bars, each of them represent the very heart and soul of Filipinos. From the northern highlands of Luzon, the central islands of the Visayas, to the southern seas of Mindanao, we have found the very best of what our people can offer. So congratulations to all the participants, the mga exhibitor, mga organizer, na pinagtyagaan nito, ginagawa lahat upang maging matagumpay ang itong National Food Fair natin. Dahil ito masasabi ko sa nakikita ko naman, congratulations dahil matagumpay tayo. Dalawa, marami po kayong matutulungan ang mga maliliit ang kurso. I would, of course, acknowledge the efforts of the DTI for introducing the DTI Bagong Pilipinas Marketplace platform. This is very important because this is using the digital technology to expand markets, to expand supply chains, to make more efficient the delivery of goods and services. And it is something that will immediately take, kung iisipin ninyo, yung maliliit na mga tindahan, yung maliliit na restaurant, yung maliliit na mga negosyo, pagka nagamit na nila itong bagong app natin, ay hindi lamang yung mga nakatabi nila, hindi lamang ang mga kapitbahay nila, ang kanilang kausap at kanilang pinagbentahan, servisan at gumagawa ng hanap buhay, kung hindi lahat na lumakontak sa itong bagong app na ito. At napakahalaga itong ginawa natin ngayong araw na ito. It is an initiative set to become a robust business-to-business e-commerce platform that will highlight the products and services that are proudly Filipino. It marks a significant milestone in the digital transformation of our local industries. The platform will empower MSMEs by providing them a space where their products can be seen, recognized, and valued by a wider market. At alam naman po natin na ngayon, dahil nga sa internet, Dahil sa digital space, hindi na importante kahit na kung nasaan sa mundo, kaya nilang makita yung produkto ninyo, kaya nilang mag-contact sa inyo, kaya nilang gumawa ng paraan para magkaroon na sila. Kasi sila ay maging buyer ninyo, sila ay magiging supplier ninyo. Yan ang mahalaga dito sa app nito. But beyond that, it will also focus on sustainability, on product innovation, and the adoption of new technologies in food processing and manufacturing. The DTI will lead the implementation of a sustainable framework that aims to ensure the long-term functionality and support for MSMEs in today's digital economy. We must therefore work hand in hand to provide our local businesses with the knowledge and the resources that they need to navigate this new digital landscape. But we are also committed to ensuring that our entrepreneurs and consumers are protected through secure cashless payment systems. Indeed, the DTI Bagong Pilipinas Marketplace is designed to create greater opportunities for our MSMEs, for them to thrive and to expand their reach. With every online order that is placed, we are not only supporting the local products and services of our MSMEs, we are helping our Filipino entrepreneurs realize their dream. We are validating our local producers' capability to create high-quality products worth every peso, every centavo, and can be marketed internationally. Such initiatives and support stands as essential pillars in ensuring that our MSMEs remain competitive in an ever-changing market. With these efforts to strengthen our local industries, we are indeed positioning the Philippines as a prime investment destination. Let this event also serve as an open invitation to more potential investors, both Filipinos and foreigners alike, to take part in the opportunities that the Philippines markets offer. I would also like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to our private sector partners for their continued support to the projects and programs of government. Let us continue to champion our homegrown products, elevate them to new heights, and embrace the brilliance of Filipino craftsmanship and ingenuity. Patuloy natin tangkilikin ang sarili natin. Palakasin pa natin ang industriyang Pilipino. And may the continued success of our MSMEs inspire generations of entrepreneurs and innovators, all working towards a more prosperous and productive Philippines. Mabuhay ang mga negosyanteng Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And now, can we request the President